Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make it look like you're holding a baby on Dress to Impress. So you're just going to go to this section here. You're going to want to get this bear and you can color it to whichever color you want. I'm just going to select blue for this to show you that it's like a boy. I don't think it matters anymore. Then you're going to walk over to the coconut and you're going to select that and you're going to color it, I guess like the color of like skin tone. And you're just going to make the rest the same color as your outfit so it hopefully blends a little bit. And that is pretty much it. It looks like you're holding a baby kind of in Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.